This video demonstrates the correct procedure for maintaining and servicing the exterior ceiling of a Crusader Caravan. It is essential that this task is performed by an authorized Crusader dealer or a qualified caravan repair center. The exterior ceiling of a Crusader Caravan is a crucial component that requires regular maintenance to ensure the vehicle's longevity and watertight integrity. Silicone sealant used during the manufacturing process can degrade over time due to exposure to the elements. In this video, we'll explain the process that authorized dealers and repair centers should follow to maintain the exterior ceiling. As outlined in the service schedule checklist included in the warranty terms and conditions document, repairing and replacing the ceiling beads is necessary to protect the caravan from dust, water ingress, and maintain its appearance. The first step involves finding a dry workspace. The exterior of the caravan is then thoroughly cleaned, paying particular attention to the ceiling beads. These beads are cleaned with soapy water and a brush to remove old and damaged silicone. Next, a thin bead of silicone is applied, as demonstrated by our technician. Black silicone should be used on black painted parts, while clear silicone is used against other areas. Then, the new silicone bead needs to be cleaned using a spray bottle and wiping over the bead with a scraping tool or finger. Finally, any extra silicone is removed using soapy water and wiped over the beads with a plastic scraping tool. This will ensure a neat ceiling bead is left. The silicone should be left to dry for approximately 24 hours. By following these steps, authorized dealers and repair centers can help maintain the long-term protection and performance of your caravan, ensuring warranty validity and many years of enjoyable caravanning.